Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got the inside scoop on the upcoming Vivo V30 5G, and it's looking like a real winner. Hit that subscribe button for all things tech, and let's dive into the leaked specs of the Vivo V30 5G. Picture this: a sleek design, curved display, and triple cameras at the back. The V30 5G is rumored to be a rebrand of the Vivo S18, and it's bringing some cool features to the table. The phone rocks a curved display with a punch hole for the selfie camera. On the sides, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. Down below, there's a USB Type-C port, speaker vents, SIM tray, and a microphone. Up top, more speaker vents and a secondary microphone. Flip the phone, and you'll see a square camera module with triple lenses. There's also a module below for a soft LED light, possibly an aura light. The leaked specs hint at a powerful 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a whopping 50-megapixel front camera for selfies and video chats. Under the hood, the V30 5G is expected to pack a punch with 12GB RAM, 80-watt fast charging, and a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. It's lightweight at 185 grams, making it a comfortable daily driver. Now let's talk display. A big 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen is on the cards, offering vibrant visuals with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and up to 2800 nits peak brightness. Keeping you powered throughout the day is a hefty 5000 mAh battery. And here's the game changer: 80-watt fast charging. No more waiting around for your phone to juice up. Wrapping it up, color choices. The Vivo V30 5G might come in Graham's Ocean Blue and Elegant Black. If these leaked specs hold true, this phone could be a solid contender in the mid-range market. Stay tuned for updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned.